Hello and welcome to another update video about Bonk. Yeah, a day of sideways consolidation, you could say. Bitcoin produced a few fake outs up and down. Overall, pretty much the market is, however, quite stable today. But Bitcoin was, experienced quite a lot of volatility. But yeah, Bonk just been moving sideways. Many altcoins have been moving sideways today. Bonk is still moving below the descending trend line and could still easily form one more low as per the yellow scenario here. Remember that we highlighted that the B wave top that possibly formed here in July was only followed by 3 waves down. Actually, for a C wave, we need 5, so it could easily give us one more low. I did mention in the last updates that as long as we don't break above resistance, which is located here at 219, 160, one more low is very likely. And I think I even said I expect one more low. But obviously, price action, price structures are dynamic. So it is worth watching for the white count, because for the yellow scenario, the market isn't really moving down rapidly enough. I mean, unless it really goes down now, then we have a similar situation that we had pretty much here, where we had an initial dip correction. So initial dip correction. And then it sort of started to move down. So yeah, I mean, maybe it's sort of starting to move down. That's of course possible. But at the moment, there are quite a lot of overlapping structures here in this move down that started on Wednesday. Therefore, I did put it out as one of the updates earlier today on Discord that we should at least be watching the white count. I mean, you should be aware of it at least. It could be a micro 1-2 setup here, which could lead to a third wave rally to the upside. Surely it might depend a little bit on Bitcoin. It is not the strongest 1-2 setup. It is a very, very small micro 1-2 setup. And I only marked the completion of the larger wave 2 here on Monday, the 5th of August with a question mark. So it's not high confidence, but we have clear parameters to watch. And as long as we're holding above 167,309, I would want to give the white wave count a chance. One more low cannot be ruled out, so it might here test maybe the next fib level. I go to the 1 hour chart now. It might test the next fib level here around 177,161 or even 184,425 before reversing. It's possible that this is some kind of a WXY structure or so, but the move down, as I said, it looks corrective. So we want to give the bulls at least the chance. Obviously, holding a higher low in this support area will be helpful and important to confirm the white wave count. And then the next level of confirmation would be a break above the descending trend line, followed by a break above the 50% retracement at 219,160. I mean, that would be really helpful in confirming further that a third wave rally to the upside is unfolding in the white count. And then I will probably take this potential to the downside of the chart, but it takes now a convincing break above resistance, to take out basically the yellow count, which allows for one more low, at least one more low. So there is a micro support area which is currently holding. We even had a micro reaction to it, but it's not strong enough yet. So we have to be patient. All I want to share with you is there is a possible 1-2 setup, but we have to say that most of these coins which are currently producing possible 1-2 setups, again, we are in a sector at the moment where they're all correlating, they're all waiting for Bitcoin. This is sometimes more the case, sometimes less the case. They all move in their individual waves, but a lot of them are forming possible 1-2 setups, and they all will move together. So either they all fail, or they will all succeed. So make sure that this is clear. So you need to manage your risk based on that. You don't want to trade 10 altcoins with a lot of positions. They're all correlated, so be aware of that. So yeah, anyway, this is a potential that I'm watching. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.